Ready? Ready? Ready. All right, let's look at how we can possibly find the reaction for this question here. Hold on, if I start. All right, let us draw this particular problem and let's see how we can solve this question problem here. This is a question on trusses, right? So one says using the method of revolution at joint only, determine force in member AB, AF, BC, and BF of the frame shown below. So this is a frame structure. So basically, what I'm asked to find, I'm asked to find some several members, such as member AB. I'm asked to find member AF and also member BC, finally, and member BF, right? So how do I possibly solve this problem here? It's quite a simple task to do. So first, my first priority for this question here is that I'll calculate for the reaction. Sorry. Let's see. Come on, sit down somewhere here. This thing is shaking. So my very first task here is that I'll try to calculate for reaction. I'll know what RA. I'll find the exact value of RA and the exact value of RE. Then I'll put them here. Then I'll start solving using joint method. But very first, my first task says what? Calculating for what there? For reaction. We said when it comes to calculating for reaction, what are you using? Or using what? The three laws of equilibrium, right? The first law says what? Summation what? H equal to what? 0 summation V. And then moment at a point is what there? It's 0. So let's apply this condition one after the other. For my summation, if I'm to apply summation H, is there any force in horizontal form? Yeah. Is there any force in this form? Or in this form? Is there anything in this form? This way? Yeah. No. They are all vertical. Observe. So in this means that I will leave the first condition of what? Equilibrium. I will leave it out. Start with what? Second condition, Abi. So second condition says what? Summation what? V is what? 0. Abi. Consider upward as what? Plus. Downward as what? Negative. Are we there? So which force here acts in these two forms? There are many, right? Start with this one. It's going up, Abi. Up is positive, Abi. So I'll have what? RA. Next up, plus what? RE, right? Let's start with this. Going down, negative. Minus what? Minus 5. Next up, minus 10. What next? Minus 15. Next up, minus 10. What next there? Minus 5, right? Equal to what? Equal to 0. From here, I will have that RA plus RE minus what? What do I have here in total? Minus 5 minus 10 minus 15, Abi. Minus 30 minus 40 minus what? 45 equal to what? 0. Next task is that I'll take negative 45 to the other side there. So I'll have what? RA plus what? RE equal to what? 45, Abi. Call this man what? Equation 1. Right? What next there? I've applied the second law of equilibrium, Abi. What next there? The third law. That is taking moment, Abi. So taking moment at point what? At point A. So taking moment at point what there? At point A. If I take moment at point A, at this point here, it means that all the force acting at point A is 0. So this one too is 0. This one too is 0, Abi. So I'll pick out all this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one will come to A. Right? If this B comes to A, observe that is going this way, right? So it's what? 1 here. 1, 1, right? So if B comes here, is a what? Clockwise direction, Abi. So consider your clockwise as being what? Plus, anti as what? Negative. So observe B. This B will go to A in what? Clockwise manner. That's because what there? 10 times what? From here to here is what? 1. So I have 1 plus. Similarly, I'm done with this first one, Abi. This also comes this way, right? Observe. Here to here is half of it, 2. That because what? 15 times what? Times 2. That because what there? 15 times 2. I'm done with this. Pick up this, right? Observe this one at the center too. This is 1 1 Abby. From here down is what? 3. That because what there? 10 times 3 times 3. I'm done with this one. Pick up this one. This is what? Going this way. So from here to here is what? 4. That becomes what there? Plus what? 5 times what? 4. Mind you, I'm not done yet. Yes, now because it's going in a clockwise direction. Yes. Now look at this RE. Take RE this way, negative direction. That becomes what there? Minus what? RE times what? Times 4. Because from RE to here to A, it takes 4 distance. So equal to what? Equal to what? 0. All I have here, this is what? 10 plus 30 plus 30 plus what I have here? 20 minus what? 4RE. Am I there? Equal to what? 0. I'll take this negative RE to the other side. I'll have a positive RE, Abby. Sorry. So all I have here in total 60, 80, 90, Abby. So I'll have 90 minus what? 4RE equal to what? 0. Take this one here because a positive RE. So I'll have 90 equal to what? 4RE. True or false? True. And how to get RE? What will I do there? Divide by what? 4 by what? This cancels, Abby. So what's my RE, please? RE is what? 45, Abby. Am I correct? Check. Calculator. Oh, sorry. So it's what there? 22 point what? Are you correct? Alright. In what? Kilowatt Newton. What's my RE now? This what? 22.5 units, Abby. I've gotten my RE. What am I looking for again? RE, right? So I'll recall from what? Equation 1, Abby. So from here now, from equation 1, that says what? RA plus what? RE equal to what? 45, Abby. Anyway, I see RE, I'll put what? 22.5. So therefore, RA plus what? 22.5 equal to what? 45. Take this man here. I have that RA is what? 45 minus what? 22.5. Of course, RA is what? 22.5 what? Kilo Newton. So my RE is 22.5. RA is what? Of course, RA is what? 22.5. I've calculated for my what? Reaction. This is your first task. Calculate for reaction using the law of equilibrium. Of course, we omitted the first law, right? Because we don't have any horizontal forces acting in these trusses or this frame per se. So I forgo the first condition. I use the second and the third condition. So let's look at what we do next. Copy this down, please. Then proceed. Mind you, we're looking for joint AB, AF, BC, and what there? BF. Observe that what I'm looking for boils down on A, B, C, and what? F. I'm not even going to what? D and E at all. Right? Focus more on what? A, B, C, and what? F. After the record, I will send the video to group. So watch it again. So you get to understand better. So I have that, by the way. So your very first task, when you see question like this, calculate for what? Reaction. When you are done now, you now move to, before I proceed to what is next, let me explain something before I proceed. Observe something, please. Let me explain something before I proceed. Let's say I have a force. Look up. I have a force this way. I have a force this way. Let me call it force F. Right? This force is inclined to the horizontal. Right? I want to resolve this force. That's inclined on an angle into vertical and horizontal. Is it possible? Yes. This force is inclined on an angle, Abby. I want to change this force and angle to what? A vertical and horizontal. How is it done? It's quite simple. This force is at this. Observe this force is at what? First quadrant, Abby. If I have my normal quadrants like first quadrant, second, third, and fourth, Abby, right? For this force, it's not here, it's facing here, Abby. So what I'll be seeing is this stuff. So I'll draw this vertical and what? This horizontal, right? So it depends. If this thing is facing here, I'll be having something like this. These are force F AB and angle what? Theta. But if I draw this, it will not be this here again. It's what? Something like this. True? Right? It depends on where it's facing. So for this one now, observe this one. So how do you convert this force and angle into vertical and horizontal? It's quite simple. Anywhere your angle is facing is what? Is your cos. So F is normal force. It will be here. Force will be here. Abi? But angle is facing what? Horizontal. How becomes what there? Cos theta. Here becomes what? Sine. Automatically. So it depends on anywhere the angle is facing, that is cos. So I've converted this force and this force and what angle into what? Vertical and what? Horizontal component. Let's say I want to convert this force and angle now. Observe that normally I'll have F normal, I'll have F normal. But here's the thing, what will be cos, what will be sine? My angle is facing this horizontal. So this one becomes what there? My cos. That becomes F cos what? Theta. This one becomes what there? F sine theta automatically. Are we there? Let's say I have one. Let me give one more. Let's say I have this one this way. I have a force this way. Inclined to this theta here. I want to resolve this. All I draw, I'll draw out this AB, right? Something of this nature. Now, what will be cos? What will be sine? F is here. No, my F is here, AB. What will be cos? What will be sine? Here because AB, because angle is slipping to what? Horizontal AB. Here becomes F cos what? Theta. Here becomes what there? F sine theta. This is how to resolve force. We call this resolution of forces. The conversion of force into what? Vertical and what? Horizontal components. This is very important in solving this. So this, by the way, let's proceed with solving. All right, let's proceed. Next up, my next task is what? Using joint method. That's what next thing to do. So using joint what? It stated in the question I use joint. It stated in the question I use joint method. In the question stated use joint method. I'm saying using joint method. All right. For my joint here, look up. I'm focusing more on what? Joint A, B, C, and what? And what? F. I'm not going to D and E because it's not. I'm not asked to find joint B, D, and E. So start with what? What we know first. Start with joint A, Abby. Because that's my first joint. Start with joint A. For my joint A, joint A. Please observe something. What am I seeing in joint A? Observe this, please. At joint A, I'm seeing. Observe. I'm seeing a force up and down. So I'll draw it. I'm seeing a force up and what? Down this way, Abby. What's here? It was RA, Abby. I've known the value already now as being what? 22.5 already. So what up here? 5 watt there, kilonewton, Abby. Keep it pending. I'm also seeing this line. This line, I'm seeing it, Abby. I'm seeing what? This line, Abby, and this angle. So I'll draw that line and angle. I'm seeing this, Abby. I'm seeing this and what? Theta. Abby. What will I call this? What will I call this? Now look up. This line is what? Line AF. Call it what? This is what? AF. This line here is line AB. Call it what? AB. So I'll call it what? AB. It's like force AB, force what? AF. Are we there? Now this is your what I'm having in that joint A is this. Nothing else. Abi? Now here's the thing. Now look up. This force AB is inclined to what? An angle to the what? Horizontal. I'll now resolve it. So that because what there? To resolve this one now, I'll draw what? This Abi. Observe, I just showed you earlier now. I draw this Abi. Now this angle is horizontal Abi. Because what there? AB cos theta. Yeah, because what there? AB sine theta. But what theta? 30 degree. How because what there? 30 degree. 30 degree. I have resolved this force and angle into what? vertical and what? Horizontal component. I'm done. So there's nothing else again. Yes, that is it. So nothing else again. There is angle here. Abi? So or not for every joint, always apply the first condition and second condition of equilibrium. That's summation H and V. In joint, you don't use moment. Always summation H, summation V, and what? There are three conditions of equilibrium, basically. So said we have summation H, right? Summation H as 0, Abi. Summation and what? Moment at the point, Abi. For joint, you don't use moment. We always use what? These two, right? So for joint A, now let's start with what? Summation what? H equal to what? 0. Consider right force as what? Plus, left as what? Negative. Okay. Which one? Because we're looking for AF and BF now. And why are you doing this, Abi? Option what? Option what? Yes, now, yes. Summation H. All the addition of all the forces acting horizontally. So which force is acting horizontally here? That meaning just this and this. This and this are acting what? Horizontally. Madam, your hair is showing on this thing. It's not showing. You know how it will show. Let's put it this. It's not show here. And now it's show now. It's too close to you. Everything. It's not showing when you sit down. You stand like sit down. Let's come on. Let's proceed, please. Now I've resolved this force and angle into what? Vertical and what? Horizontal. Abi. I'm done with it. We said when it comes to joint concept, apply just two conditions of equilibrium. Moment is off. You don't use moment for joint. Start with the first condition, assumption H 0, Abi. That is all the action of horizontal components must be 0. Which force here in this thing is horizontal? This and what? Abi? Is from this one we derive these two, Abi. So this one and this are acting what? Horizontally, Abi. But facing what direction? A positive direction. Right? That because what there? AF plus what? AB cos what? 30 degrees, Abi. Equal to what? 0. Are we there? So I've applied the first condition that says summation H is 0, Abi. So AF plus what? AB cos theta is what? 0. I'm done with this. But mind you, I don't know AF yet. I don't know AB yet. I'll call it what? Equation 1. In science, what do you call something equation 1? When you have two unknown. I have RARE here before. I don't know the letter I call it equation 1. Yet, so I have to call it what? Equation what? 1, because I can't find two things at the same time. So call it what? Equation 1. I'm done with the first condition, Abi. Move to the second one. Solution what? V is what? 0, Abi. Consider up as what? Plus down as what? Negative. Are we there? In this structure here, which force acts in this form? How many are they? 1, 2, 3. Which force acts up and down? 1, 2. This one acts up. This one not acting upward. They're just 3. So put down the 3 down. I'll leave this one. You need it. I'll do the video. I'll edit the video and send to the group so they can watch it again and get it very well. Right? So solution V, look up now. Solution V now. What am I having here? Solve RA, Abi. That becomes what there? RA. That becomes what there? RA, right? It's going up, whether it's positive. RA. This one is coming what? Down. Become what there? -5, Abi. I'm done with it. I've picked this and this. This one is what? Up. That becomes what there? A plus. Plus what? AB what? Sine what? 30 degree, Abi. Is that up? That's equal to what? 0. Now, no, I can find AB now because what? I know RA. Right? So now, but what's RA initially? 22 point what? So put this man here and get AB. And put that AB where? Here to get what? AF. In that case, I have find AB and what? AF. Remember what? BC and BF. That's the concept. Now, let's get done, please. What's RA now? 22.5 minus what? 5, Abi, plus what? AB sine 30. True? Equal to what? 0. All I have here is my answer. 17 point what? 5 plus what? AB sine what? 30. True? Equal to what? 0, right? If I want to, I can take this one here. So I'll have what? AB sine what? 30 equal to what? Negative what? 17.5. True? I want to get AB. What I do there? Divide by what? Sine 30. Sine 30. What do I have as my answer? What's AB? Negative what? 35 what? Kilo Newton. I've gotten my AB. Keep it pending. That we have there. All right. I've gotten AB. Because follow up, please. I got my AB. All right. I'm done with AB, Abby. So I've known AB. Now look up. Look up. In these trusses, whenever you have a negative answer, because what there? A what? Exactly. Compressive. We call it compressive. Double M, Abby? Double M, Abby? This one, Abby?
Yes.
Compressive. We have person answer, you call it what? Tensile. What will I call this? Huh? What will I call the negative answer? This answer is what? A what? Compressive. Just know the sign. If it's positive, it's tensile. Negative what? Compressive. That's the concept. So I'm done with what? AB. I've gotten AB. Right? Let's see what we can get again. I'll put AB value inside where? Equation 1, Abby. So from here, all right. Okay. Compress. You are reducing length. It will be negative. Here's the thing. If you are reducing something length, it will be negative. Decreasing. Tensile. You are making it larger. It's plus. You are reducing is negative. That's the concept of those stuff. So that's it. So I'm done with my first question. Second question. I've gotten AB. Just put AB where? Here to get what? AF. So I'll say from what? From what? That says what? AF. AB what? Cos 30 equal to what? 0, Abby. What do we know? We know AB as what? Negative what? So I'll have that AF, Abby, plus what? Into what? Negative 35 cos what? 30 equal to what? 0. AF plus minus what? Minus 35 cos what? 30 equal to what? Take this man here, right? Because what there? AF what? 35 cos what? 30, right? What? This value, all I have
30.1
is what? 30 point what? 31, Abby? What? Kilo Newton. Please, please, my AF, is it tensile or compressive? Tensile. Tensile. That's got there. Tensile. So I have this. So I've gotten up. Look up from my what's it called? From my question, I want to find AB, Abby, which is this. I'm finding what? AF, Abby. I've gotten AF. What's left? BC and BF. Now, mind you, I pick only joint A. I have no two stuff, Abby. What next there? Pick joint B. That's next thing, Abby. So let's pick joint B and let's solve to get other stuff right.
Please, we explain from here.
Where? Where exactly? Where exactly? Solution H, Abby. So solution H is equal to 0, right? Consider your concept right as positive, left as negative. In this structure here, what we have formatted now, which force is acting in this form? This is lying down, Abby. In this form is going. This is lying down too. In this form, they are just two horizontal forces. So this one is what? Facing what? Plus direction, Abby. They got a positive what? AF, Abby. Next up, this one is facing what? What direction? Because what there? Plus what? AB cos 30, right? So we said for this case now, I don't know AF, I don't know BF. I don't know AF, I don't know what? AB. I can't solve for anything. Call it what? Equation 1. Abby? When I'm done with this, go to what? Your second condition of equilibrium that says what? Solution B is 0, Abby. Which forces are acting in these two forms? 1, 2, and what? 3. Right? Put them there. Start with what? RA. This is my RA, Abby. Mind you, 5 is going what? Downwards, because what there? Negative 5. This man is going what? Upward, because of the a positive what? AB sin 30. Go to 0, Abby.
Yes.
What's next here? We said, but we know AB initially as what? Sorry, RA as what? 20.5, Abby. So put the value of 20.5 here, right? So put it here. That's this what I'm going to be here. Minus 5 plus AB sin 30. What's 0, Abby? How do I get AB? It's quite simple. Do math here. I'll have this value plus this value here is this, Abby. Equal to 0. I look for A, B, and 30. Take this mark to the other side because of the a negative. So this one, I'll have A, B, and 30 left here. This one moves here because of the a negative 7.5. I want to get A, B alone. How do I do that? I'll divide both sides by what? Sin 30, sin 30, Abby. So all I have here, A, B is what? Minus 35. Routine. Are we there? I'm done with this. To get in this my first joint A, I want to look for two things because what I can see is just two things unknown. AF and what? AB. And I've gotten what? AB successfully. All that I'm looking for. What? AF, Abby. So how do I get AF? From what? Equation 1. So I'll recall what? This equation 1. This way. I'm looking for AF. I have AF down. Plus, what's your AB? AB is what? AB is what? Minus 35, Abby. Put this value here. Here. Next up, cos 30 is this. Total 0. Plus, minus is what? Minus. Everything here is down here. Total 0. Are we there? Take this value other side because what there? A positive value, Abby. Positive what? 30 cos 30. 35 cos 30, right? If I press on calculator, I'll have 30.31 kilonewton. And we said whenever you have a positive answer, call it tensile. Negative is what? Compressive. This is negative answer. I call it compressive. What stuff I call it what there? A tensile. I'm done with what? Joint A is off. Right? What's net after A? What's net after A? B. Abby? Yes. So do for after A is B, not C, not F, not E, not D. Is what? B. So let's go to B. Joint what now? Joint B. I have to clean this one. That should be. So joint B. Yes. At joint B. What are you seeing? Look up. At joint B. This is my joint B, Abby. This space here. This space you're seeing. Now I'm seeing Abby. So what are you seeing there? A line this way, Abby. A line this way, Abby. And the force this way, Abby. So I'm seeing a line. Observe. Something this way. Sorry. True? Huh? Yes. I'm also seeing what? A force down this way as what? 10 what? Right? What thing am I seeing? This man here, Abby. I'm seeing a force like this way. Down here, this way, Abby. Please, all I call this. Look up. All I call this line. I just draw. BC. Yes. BC. Line what? So here's what? What is this one called? B what? C. Please, what will I call this line that I drew here? BA. BA is clear. So come what then? B what? BA. Next up, all I call this line, this one. BF, exactly. All I have here. B what there? BF. I'm done. Abi? But mind you, in this case here, it's not too clear. So to make it clear, draw what? Your four cardinal points. Are you there? Are you there? So I can consider I can see it's clear now. So since my angle here is 30, angle is 30, everything that any angle in this structure is 30. So in this case now, I'm seeing a force Abi to the horizontal Abi. Here's what? 30. Right? This force Abi, horizontal is what? 30. This one Abi to the what? Horizontal is what? 30 degrees. We said every angle is 30. Abi? So I'll draw every angle. This one, this force to the horizontal is 30, Abi. Even here is 30, here is 30. That's the concept. But I'm focusing on what the force is. I'm focusing on the force and the angle. So there's no force here. Right? Nothing is there. So this is force, angle 30, force. Make sure that they are all lined on what? Horizontal. My first are line on what? Horizontal, horizontal, horizontal. Are you seeing that? So I'm done with this. I can't start solving now. I know that I'm looking for summation what? V and what? And H, Abi? Inside only this one, Abi? But mind you, I'm seeing a force and angle. I will resolve into what? Vertical and horizontal component. I'm seeing 1, 2, and what? 3. So let's resolve the first one. Let's resolve BC and 30. All I be seeing this, Abi? Abi?
Yes.
So the first is what? BC, BC, Abi? The angle is facing where? Horizontal. Here becomes what? A cos. Here becomes BC what? Cos what? 30. Here becomes what? Sine 30. I'm done with this first one. Right? All I have here, this is what I'm seeing. So I'm saying what? This, Abi? What's the force? BF, Abi? So BF is constant. BF and what? BF, Abi? The angle is what? On the horizontal. This one, Abi? That becomes what there? Cos 30. Anyway, your angle is sleeping on is the cos. Here becomes what there? Sine 30. I'm done with this one too. Focus on this one now. All I've seen what? This, Abi? This, Abi?
Yes.
This BC is the first, Abi. So BA is the first. BA is the first, Abi. Now, here's the thing. My angle is on this horizontal, right? Become what the cos. That becomes what the cos what? 30 sine 30. I'm done resolving. Are we there? Now, apply what? Your condition. Start with what? Summation what? H and what? Summation what? V, right? Let's start with this, please. It's quite long, but it has mark 25, Abi? 25 mark alone. And we have to work for it. Let's proceed. Check there. 15?
15.
Seriously? 15 mark. But basically, it's because I'm explaining that's why it's long. Because I'm explaining step by step, that's why it's long. I'm also reversing. But if I have to write it in exam, it will be easy for me. So if it's because I'm explaining, that's why it's long. And now, if they give exam paper, if you have finished it, count for extra sheet. They give you more paper. Paper is you pay for school fees. That's what the problem is. So I'm done with it's something, Abi. What's next now? Let's start with what? Summation what? Here to go to what there? 0, Abi. We said we don't do moment here. Right? It's only when we started when we do a reaction. That's when we use moment. Now, please, which force is acting either in this form or in this form, please? There are many. There are many, Abi. Anywhere you can start from. This one here is going, Abi. 1, 2, and what there? 3. Nothing else again. Anyhow, start this one, Abi. How to go out there? Next, so always start with positive answer, but positive value. It's better starting with positive value. Anyhow you can start, but it's okay when you start with positive value. It makes sense that way. So let's have which one there? This Abi, this and what? This Abi. Anyhow there. I have what there? BF what there? Cos 30. What next there? Plus what? BC cos what? Cos what? Is that all? Minus what? B what? Cos what? 30. Go to what? Observe that they are uniform. Cos, they are uniform. It makes sense. No, this is horizontal, not vertical component. No. Because it was vertical. Hold on. This is horizontal component. H, not vertical. This is my first condition now. The second condition we made a mistake. Just hold on, you see. Hold on. Look up, hold on. It was when we consider this is if I put 10 now. Look up. If I put 10, look up. This 10 is vertical now. I can't vertical inside horizontal. Right? So hold on first. Is vertical consider that one. Now look up for me now. What am I looking for here? What I know a B, Abi. Check your B. I know B, Abi. I know B now. A, B, and B is the same. A, B, and B is the same. Right? So here's the thing now. In this case now, I'll take this one here. So I'll be having what? BF cos 30 plus what? BC what? Cos 30 abi. What to take this one here become what there? BA cos what? 30 abi. What's BA? Check your solvings. A, B, and B are the same. So what's BA or what? Is it minus or plus? So why telling him 35 minus what? 35 what there? Abi. So here's the thing. In this case here, look at this place. What's common here? Cos abi. Bring out cos 30. Are we there? Into what? BF plus what? BC. True? Yes. This time this is this abi. Plus plus. This time this is this abi. Go to what? As what? 35 cos what? 30 abi. Yes. Now hold on here. Hold on. I'm looking for. I want to find value for BF and BC. I'm looking for BF and BC abi. BF BC. That's what the left I'm looking for. Abi. So I'll try to make them solve the formula. How? Cos 30 cos 30. This comes abi. BF plus what? BC is not to what? All I have as my answer here. 30 what? Call this what? Equation 1 is related to what? Simultaneous. What's what? Equation 1. Mass simultaneous. Children making it simultaneous. So I don't want to dodge it in life. So that's I'm done with this abi. I'm done with abi. That's what summation H abi. Let's now do what it's saying now. Summation V. Let me solve. Is it camera still working? Yes. All right. Look up. Summation what? V now, abi. Let's do this. Consider what? Up as what? Plus down as what? Check this structure. Which one is acting in these two forms? Give me now. Start with plus abi. Start with this. Okay. Start with plus abi. Up abi. Pick this. That becomes what there? BC what? Sin 30. What next again? Minus 10. Which one there? Minus abi. Let's start with this one. Minus what? 10. Minus what? BF sin what? 30 abi. This one abi. I'll pick this and this abi. What left? Minus what? BA. What next? Sin 30. Go to what? Does not mean now. But make sure that you start with positive stuff. It makes sense. No, H to come first before V. He's asking the arrangement. Does not mean. But it's better. It's better a positive stuff starts before negative in math. It's proper, right? So that's stuff there. So positive this. Now in this way, in this case here, what do I know? I know what BA value. Abi? Here's the thing now. It's quite. Here's the thing. I'll start with what? BC sin what? 30. Abi? Hold on with this. What next there? Minus what? BF sin what? 30. Are we there? Equal to what? Take this one that you know. Where? That's because there. BA sin 30. They're not done yet. Take this one there, Abi. Plus what? Plus 10. What do we do here? When we get here, what do we do? Exactly. So what's common here? So bring out sin what? 30 into what? BC minus what? BF. Abi? What to what? What's BA?
Minus 35.
Minus what? 35 sin what? 30 plus what? 10. Abi? Please punch this what I have. This is sin 30 into BC minus what? BF. Please, what I have here?
Minus 7.5.
Minus what? 7.5. Abi? Now look up. I'm looking for BC minus BF. Abi? So divide by what? Sin 30. Sin what there? 30. What answer there? BC minus what? BF is what?
Minus 15.
Minus what there? 15 what? Call this what? So I'll bring out 1 and 2 and solve what? To get what? BC and I'm done. Are we there? It's long, but if you understand it, you don't have stress. That's the concept. So exactly. Look up. Now put Or perhaps solve equation what? 1 and what there? 2 in what there? Simultaneously, right? What I have? What's option 1? BF, what next? Plus B what? Minus what? What next? Alright, B what there? BC minus what? BF equal to what? 15 what? 22 Abby? Am I on track?
Yes.
Bro. Yes. Alright. That's what I'm saying now. Alright. So let's proceed, please. How will I get BF? It's quite simple. Either I use elimination method or what? Or substitution method, Abby? Yes. Either I use elimination method or substitution method. Yes. So let's just use this way. Use this way from equation 1. What can I see? I'm seeing BF. Huh? Substitution method. BF plus what? BC is what? Minus what? Abby? Let's make BF subject for 1, 2 or BC subject for 1, 2. It depends on your choice. Anyone want to get first. Let's say I want to get BF first. That becomes what there? BF equal to what? Minus what there? BC. Abby? So it means that anywhere I see BF, I'll put what? This value there. So this is my question 1. I'm done. So now from what? So Abby, that says what? BC minus what? BF equal to what? Minus what? 15 Abby. But I know BF as what? This stuff. Anyway, I say BF, I'll put what? This stuff there. So I want what? BC minus what's BF? BC Abby equal to what? Now mind you, if it was plus here, I'll just open the bracket. But the minus is what? Plus Abby, that becomes what there? BC plus what? 35 sorry for distraction, please. This is what? Plus Abby. All Abby again. Plus what? BC. Minus is plus Abby. Go to what? Minus what? 15 Abby. Alright, how do I get BC? Simple Abby. BC plus BC is what? 2BC. 2BC Abby. Equal to what? Minus 15. No. Minus what? Alright, let's see what we get here. 2BC equal. What have here? Minus what? 60 Abby. 50 Abby. Alright. 50. Are we there? Oh my answer. 25 kilometers. Is that it? Yes. Oh, that's very good. Alright. Let's get BC. This will take like 40 minutes or 50 minutes. Seriously. Alright. From there, we'll have that. I'm having 2 BC Abby. Go to what? 50. Let's get BC. Wow. We're by 2 by 2. What's BC, please? Please, is this tensile compressive, please? Why? Negative Abby. I'm done with this, please. Finally, let's get what? BF Abby. I've gotten BC. Finally, wait. BF Abby. How? From what? Equation 3. This one is easy now. BF. Just put your BC here. They are done. No, now this is equation 1 and 2. Abby now. But during equation 1, we made BF subject. Abby as this place. Abby. I now put this BF inside equation 2. So don't stress myself again. I look for BF. I can easily put just BC there and get BF instead of taking on that equation and start putting it and start doing stress. So from here now, call it equation 3. So from what? Equation what? 3. That says what? BF is what? Minus what there? BC. This becomes BF. I should have 2 like 10 here. Abby? Okay, minus 35. What's BC? Huh? Hold on. This is minus Abby. Yes. What's BC itself? Minus what? 25. Are we there? Yes. So I have BF as being what? Minus what? 35 plus what? 25. Abby? What minus are here? 10 what? Kilowatt. Is it 10 minus 10? Minus 10. Yes, minus 10. This is what? Is it coming of tensile? Huh? Compressive. we are done. But mind you, in your exam, all your answer will be in tabular form. Tabular form. So we are done. Oh. If you leave it this way, you are correct. But it's always important that anything on that frame should be in tabular form. So let's do the table and our whole place. We are done, right? Tabular form, please. Here's the thing. Don't even cram table. Don't stress yourself. What do you have? I'm having member, Abby. Start with what? Member, Abby. What am I having? A, B, A, F, and what there? B, C, and what? B, F. I'm done with this, Abby. What next there? Forces per se. For what there? Forces, Abby, and what? Nature per se. Nature means, is it tensile and what? That's the meaning. So what's force AB? Check your book. What do you have there? Don't put either minus or plus. Oh, are we there? Don't put in that either minus or plus. Your nature will describe it for you. So what's AB? What was initially? What was AB initially? Minus, but don't put minus there because your comparison will tell you that what is minus. What must have you? What only be here? Con what there? Compare what there? C baby. Why? Because what? Negative answer.
Yes.
What's BF? 30 point what? Is what? A tensile. What next there? What's BC? What's BC?
25.
Huh?
25.
25 baby. Yes. What's up there? Compressive. Are we there? What's BF? 10 Abby. What's the answer there? Even the man will not even stress himself looking at the calculation. It's going down here. It's going down here. He's checking. Is it correct like this? Okay. It's correct. That's it. Look at yourself. What after majorly is your answer here? In a class of 100 students, he wants to mark. So you now start looking at yourself like this. You don't have time. It's going down here. And also you will also check your like every point where you like this point now, you will check here like how do you arrive to this answer. So the key part you will check, then table, then that's off. So make sure you draw out your table this way. So that's all. Yes, now it's gone. It's gone. That's why it's easy. When it's negative is what? Compressive. When it's is what? When it's positive is what? Tensile. Note it. That's all. This is how I solve this particular problem.